Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can zoom in and zoom out on CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project on my CapCut PC application, and then first of all I'm going to add this video to my track, and then I'm going to show you how you can zoom in or zoom out this video. First of all guys, you need to click on the video until the video is active. As you can see by the outline that the video is active now, and then we can go to the basic video and then basic, and then we can scale to zoom in or zoom out like this. You can increase the scale if you want to zoom in, and you can decrease it if you want to zoom out. Or actually you can zoom out by clicking on this option like this. Okay, and I'm just going to increase it again, and we'll be able to adjust the position like this. Okay, wait, I'm going to make it smaller a little bit. Okay, just like that. Okay guys, so that's all the way to zoom in or zoom out on CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.